Legends of Learning presents The North and South, Two Economies, One Nation game. This is a history game that makes learning about comparing life in the North versus the South fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, step into a congressional office in 19th century America and uncover the growing divide between the North and the South. Handle real letters, reports, and newspapers from mills and plantations as you trace industrial growth, forced labor, and the fight over information. Your archive will reveal how two regions lived under one flag and why the Union began to fracture. Explore each historical scene, read primary sources, and complete tasks to advance. Assemble machines, route goods, and file evidence that reflects the choices and limits of the time. Your decisions shape the final record. Review your sources and unlock the history behind the documents. Complete all the levels to win the game. Have fun and enjoy playing.